So in this video, I'm going to place some of the plants that we have into the Vivosun grow tent, making the ultimate chameleon enclosure. Let's go.
You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game.
So this is what I came up with as soon as I ended the last video, level 2 of the Garden of Eden. Basically, I just threw all the pothos inside here, threw 2 on the back, 1 on the side. There's going to be another one on the side that I haven't put up yet. And then when you're looking at the reservoirs, this is the same reservoir that I used inside the 2x4 grow tent that I initially set up for leaf. With that, we have to move some of these plants around so that they're in their proper place, because some places in this grow tent are going to be more well lit than others. So the whole idea is to move these plants around to where they're getting sufficient light. Some of these plants do better in full sun and some of them don't. So what we'll do is we'll take the plants that need shade and put them under a larger plant, while taking other plants and putting them directly in the full sun. For example, this Nepenthes right here with the red leaves. The reason why the leaves are so red is because it was being hit with too much direct light. And that's what happens with some Nepenthes. They turn red. So we're going to move that one closer to the middle of the tent. And then we're going to put the ones that are more full sun Nepenthes, I would say. We're going to put those towards the outside of the tent. And this is what it looks like with all the plants rearranged inside the grow tent. It's not what we initially, drew out inside the blueprint, but I think that this is a better setup for the most part. We have 1 plant inside the reservoir, and I'm looking to actually add maybe a larger plant. So let me show you what that's about. We're going to take this peace lily that I've had inside my basement since I've been in this house. This one is light deprived. It doesn't get as much light as its peer does next to the window, but I'm thinking that we're going to change that by putting it in the grow tent. So the first thing that we're going to do with this peace lily is take off all the dead or dying foliage on it. When we put this inside the new tent, we want it to be green so that we know what has happened since it's been in the grow tent. So let's do that. Alright, so this is the peace lily after defoliation to some degree. And let's put it into the tent. And boom, we got a large peace lily taking up a good amount of space inside the grow tent to where it's covering or shading other plants that don't need that direct light coming from the LEDs. See, peace lilies are tropical evergreen plants in the arum family, native to tropical Central and South America. These plants thrive on the forest floor where they receive dappled sunlight and consistent moisture and humidity. If you replicate these conditions inside of a grow tent, this plant will grow phenomenally. And like y'all have seen in my basement, it's grown relatively big, but I would imagine in this grow tent it should grow even better. So that's basically it for the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. In the next video, I'm thinking to show y'all either the new chameleon that I've got to put into this grow tent, or, maybe we'll just add some more plants. So with that being said, I'm Bryce, and
You don't know me,